I recently got my hands on the Sony BRAVIA 5 Series 65 and I have to say, it's been a game changer for my daily routine. First of all, the picture quality is just incredible. Watching movies or TV shows with friends and family has never felt so immersive. The colors are richer, the contrast is better, and the overall clarity is simply stunning. It's like having a piece of Hollywood in your living room. But it's not just about the entertainment value. This TV also makes a huge difference when it comes to productivity. I work from home as a freelancer, and I spend most of my day staring at screens. The Sony BRAVIA 5's wide viewing angle and stunning color accuracy make it easy on my eyes, even after hours of use. Plus, the smart features like Google Assistant and voice control are super convenient. What really sets this TV apart, though, is its ability to connect with other devices in my home. I can seamlessly switch between my phone, tablet, or laptop without any issues, making it perfect for family movie nights or game nights with friends. And let's not forget about the sleek design. It looks amazing on any wall. Overall, I'm thoroughly impressed with this TV and would highly recommend it to anyone looking to upgrade their home entertainment system.